guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with special guest Dylan today who can't stop laughing.
Hi guys.
And he's gonna stop laughing soon because today we are attempting the Black Spicy Noodles Challenge.
I'm so scared.
And yeah, so I did this I think 1-2 years ago and we did the 2x spicy. This time we are doing 3x. Ready?
No.
Dylan and I both have really shit spice tolerance.
I think they'll find out soon.
Yeah, you will find out soon. So we're gonna make this, do our setup and come back. Okay guys, Dylan and I kind of chickened out and put half packet instead.
Why you have to say it like that?
Because it's obvious, bro. And we have bad spice tolerance, so you're anyway gonna see us die, so it's okay.
You go first.
No. It's your first time doing this challenge, nah. So you should do it first. No, I'm getting scared.
Now, mine is much more.
No, not at all.
Okay, fine. Come now.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Not bad.
So far it's okay only. I can drink normally now.
Oh.
Chal.
Cheers. Fine.
It's not as bad. Now I'm drinking for...
No. How many bites can we go without?
That's the challenge?
Yeah.
It's burning a little bit.
Yeah. I think 3 bites is respectable.
I can go a couple of bites more.
Same.
But my tears have started.
Okay.
I can. But I don't have to prove anything to anybody. Sure. It's hitting in a different way, huh?
Please like, share, subscribe so that we can afford to admit Dylan to the hospital. I think I'm gonna pass out. I'm gonna go one more.
I think it could have been spicier.
Going in for one more.
Everything's burning. I think it could have been spicier. This shit is not helping.
Last one. And then I'm going. My ears are burning.
It's not stopping.
I need to calm my lips. I'm getting ice.
It's not stopping.
Yeah, it's not stopping.
I think it could have been spicier.
Dylan, it's getting worse. It's getting worse.
My nose is watering.
It's getting worse. I can't feel it. It's getting worse.
You didn't tell me that it gets worse
I didn't know. I forgot.
progressively.
I think I blocked it out because of the trauma. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yeah. Imagine if it's not recording, I'll die. I'm totally okay now. No, I'm not. I think it could have been spicier. When it stops, for 1 minute it comes back.
Take ice cream and ice at the same time.
I don't even get paid for this.
It's really not getting better.
They think we're doing overacting, but they don't know.
I'll do a giveaway, bro.
Yeah.
Genuinely, just comment fire and I'll send you a packet.
Then they have to send a video of them actually.
Yeah, I want to show proof we used half because I don't think they'll believe us. Half packet, guys. Oh my god! Ah! It's hurting me.
You're mad or what? You licked it or what?
No,
Then?
I don't know. I thought the pain stopped.
I think we can do full packet next time. It's hurting you now?
It came back.
Weak.
It came back.
Weak. I'm done now. Give me ice cream though, it's still burning like a bitch. It's not stopping, huh?
I think I'm fine now.
I think it's getting absorbed.
You're fine now?
More or less. Because you had 2 bites more than me.
3.
3 you didn't have?
Wait. Rewind.
In terms of quantity, my bites were bigger.
No. Chal. Fine.
Done na now?
Done. You can eat more.
Are you mad?
Look at how little we've eaten. And died. Imagine people finish the whole thing in a challenge.
Who finishes it? Who finishes it?
People.
In a challenge, you're supposed to finish this.
A lot of people eat like a lot.
Then it's not a challenge for them. Simple.
Bro, they die but they do it.
That much I'm not doing. If you're happy with this much, then get happy. But
Comment below if Dylan should do a full.
They'd say, yeah, do it. What are they going to lose? What am I going to get? I'll have to just die in the process.
Talk about your experience and rate it.
It's not worth it. Don't do this on me.
Okay,
Like-
in terms of spiciness,
Definitely like a good 8. I've had like a...
what's a 10?
When I had a piece of chili, like a big piece of chili, and the restaurant staff all came out and they got like curd and milk and sugar, and I was sobbing that they had to get like
my
5
God.
tissues. Yeah, so that was like a 10 for me. But I think this is a good 8.
My 10. In America, there's this store that just sells hot sauces, and there was one like spicy sauce in the store. It's for free, like they give it to you for free.
To taste
You
and
just
stuff.
taste it.
Yeah, you died.
It was very bad. Like,
What happened?
Like I thought I was gonna pass out. Like I was like, it's
God.
so bad. I could physically feel smoke come out of my ears.
Even right now, like you
I
can
felt that,
feel
yeah.
it, like it hits you in a, like the way wasabi hits, like it's so hot you can feel it in your head, and my
Yeah.
mouth is burning.
Yeah.
I think because we had like better prep, ice cream, milkshake, milk, ice, we were better off.
We were better off.
Otherwise, it would be like a 9.
It would be really bad. Yeah. I'm gonna give it an 8.5 in terms of spice.
And we collectively had like 10 bites, right?
We're fine now.
Yeah.
After sweating, crying, dying.
I think we should make like, if there is public demand, I want to like fully risk it with the whole pack.
And I will give you company and watch. I don't know if I can sit and do it again.
Arey, then alone what I'll do, I'll just die.
Yeah.
So,
I'll be there in case anything happens. I'm there then. So that was our experience. I would not recommend doing this for fun. If you have a YouTube channel and you're making money, then do it. Otherwise, there's no.
what about me, but?
You unfortunately have the disease of influenza friends. So you have to do it.
Influenza.
Exact. That was the joke, Dylan.
Then cut this out, bro. No, please.
The cheese noodles of these like the Buldak cheese noodles are actually very yummy, so I would highly recommend those. And if actually let's actually just do the giveaway. I'll send
for
you
sure.
cheese noodles as well if you comment fire. Also the rule is you have to be in India. Sorry, it's a little difficult for me to send it out of India.
Yeah.
But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, press the bell icon for Shagun, and I'll see you guys next time for more Messy Maja scenes. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Bye.